Hey, it's Chris, and this Tagalog lesson is about interrogatives, aka question words. This lesson will just be a general overview of the various kinds of question words you may come across in Tagalog. I won't be going too in depth with how to use each word, but you'll see that they're pretty straightforward with only a few special cases here and there. To ask who, you say Sino. What is ano. Where, as in where was something done, you ask saan. Where, as in where a noun is located, you say nasaan. When is kailan. Why is bakit. Whose is kanino. Which is alin. How, as in the condition of something, you ask kumusta. How is in as in what way or what manner, you ask paano. How to what degree, you ask gaano. How many, you ask ilan. And how much, as in the cost of something, you ask magkano. Here are some examples of interrogatives being used. Who is the president? Sino ang pangulo? What is your name? Ano ang pangalan mo? Where did you go? Saan ka pumunta? Where is John? Nasaan si John? When is your birthday? Kailan ang kaarawan mo? And how are you? Kumusta ka? And those are Tagalog interrogatives, aka question words. If you learned something and you want to learn more, please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.